everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share an amazing hair care recipe that you'll absolutely love. If you're looking for a natural way to transform your hair from coarse and frizzy to smooth and silky, then this video is just for you. Plus, the best part is that you can do it right at home with simple ingredients. So let's get started. Today, we'll be making a homemade natural keratin treatment. Yes, you heard that right. This treatment will not only make your hair incredibly smooth and shiny, but will also give it a naturally straight look from the very first use. Imagine having soft, silky, and manageable hair that lasts for a really long time. Sounds amazing, right? Well, keep watching. To begin, the first ingredient we need is flax seeds. Flax seeds are truly magical when it comes to hair care. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which nourish and strengthen the hair. So let's take around 4 tablespoons of flax seeds and put them into a saucepan. Next, we'll add 2 cups of water to the pan. Now, we're going to boil the flax seeds for about 10 minutes. As it boils, remember to stir the mixture occasionally. This will help the seeds release their natural gel, which is the secret to making our hair smooth and silky. You might notice the mixture starting to thicken up a bit. That's exactly what we want. Once it reaches this jelly-like texture, go ahead and turn off the stove. Let the mixture cool down a little before moving on to the next step. You'll notice how the flaxseed gel has a slimy consistency, and that's perfect because it means it's packed with moisturizing goodness. Now, to separate the gel from the seeds, we'll need a piece of gauze or any clean cloth. Place the cloth over a bowl and pour the flaxseed mixture into it. Then, squeeze gently to extract the gel. You can see how beautifully the gel comes out. This gel is truly a hair-transforming ingredient. It works wonders on dry and coarse hair, leaving it smooth and silky right from the first application. And there we go. We have our flaxseed jelly. Before we move on, I'd really appreciate it if you could click the like button if you're enjoying the recipe so far. Your support really means a lot. Next, we're going to prepare the second part of our keratin treatment. Take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and put them into a saucepan. Then, add 1 cup of water. Mix them well until the cornstarch completely dissolves in the water. Let's put this mixture on the stove and keep stirring continuously. This step is crucial because if you stop, the cornstarch might clump up. We want a smooth, creamy texture, so keep mixing without stopping. You'll know it's ready when it turns into a thick, creamy consistency. At this point, turn off the stove. Transfer the cornstarch mixture into a mixing bowl. Now, it's time to combine it with our flaxseed gel. Add the gel and mix well using a spoon, or, even better, an electric mixer to ensure everything is well blended. The result should be a smooth and creamy mixture, which will be the base of our natural keratin. To make our treatment even more nourishing, we're adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply conditions the hair, adding extra shine and softness. You can also add 6 to 8 drops of your favorite essential oil. I love using rosemary because it not only smells amazing, but also promotes healthy hair growth. Mix everything together really well, and just look at that beautiful, creamy texture. Now let's talk about how to apply this amazing natural keratin. First, make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. Divide your hair into sections to make application easier. Start by applying the keratin mixture to each section, from the roots to the tips. Use a wide tooth comb to ensure even distribution. Once your hair is fully covered, put on a plastic cap or a shower cap to lock in the moisture. Leave this treatment on your hair for about an hour. You might want to relax during this time, maybe read a book or catch up on your favorite show. After an hour, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You'll immediately notice how your hair feels softer, straighter, and more manageable. It's as if you've just stepped out of a salon keratin treatment, but without spending a fortune. For the best results, I recommend using this treatment twice a week. You'll see that over time, your hair becomes healthier, shinier, and stays straight for a longer period. And guess what? This treatment is so gentle that you can even use it on little girls' hair without worrying about harsh chemicals. I really hope you give this natural keratin recipe a try. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Don't forget to click the like button if you found this helpful, and share it with your friends who might benefit from this awesome DIY treatment. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your results, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay beautiful and natural.